Today we are making this easy plum cake. First you will need to grease and line a baking pan. Then to a saucepan you're going to add in some water, butter, demerara sugar or brown sugar. The sugar I have used is demerara sugar and I grind this in a mixie before using it. Then add in your raisins, cinnamon powder, clove powder, nutmeg powder, and ginger powder. And you're going to turn the flame on low. And then you're going to mix everything together and let the butter melt slowly. Your butter might get a bit clumpy at first, but be patient and everything will mix together. Then you are going to let this mixture simmer for about 3 to 4 more minutes. After that, you're going to switch off the flame and let this cool completely. After it is done cooling, you're going to add in your tutti frutti and the vanilla extract and then mix them in. In a separate bowl, you're going to beat together 2 eggs and add them to the boiled raisin mixture. Beat them into the mixture. Then to your flour, you're going to add in the baking soda and mix it in. Then add this to your boiled raisin mixture and mix it in till the flour has incorporated in the batter. You can switch to a spatula later. And then you're going to pour your batter to your prepared pan. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 60 minutes. A skewer inserted in the center of the cake should come out clean. And then you're going to let the cake cool completely and then cover it with some aluminium foil. And let the cake sit overnight. This will make it easier to cut the cake. Then you're going to run a knife at the sides of the cake and lift it out onto a tray. I like to pop the sides of the baking paper under the cake. And then you can slice your cake and enjoy it. The cake is so very rich and moist, and it is absolutely decadent. And it basically feels like Christmas in your mouth. Make sure to try this cake out this Christmas season and let me know how you like it. Merry Christmas to all of you in advance, and I hope you have a wonderful and magical Christmas. Make sure to check out my channel for other recipes and subscribe to stay up to date, and I will see you soon. Bye!